ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ ቀን 2 ነው። በኦዲዮ ፕራክቲስ የምታደርጉበት ቀን ማለት ነው። ትላንትና በቪዲዮ ዛሬ ደግሞ በኦዲዮ ትለማመዳላችሁ። ሰብታይትል እንዲጨመር ጠይቃችኋል። ለዚህ ኦዲዮ ጨምርላችኋለሁ። ከዚህ በኋላ ግን ራሳችሁን ቻሌንጅ ማድረግ ስላለባችሁ ሰብታይትል አይጨመርላችሁም ማለት ነው። አሁን ወደ ኦዲዮ እንሄዳለን። Hi, my name is Hinde Taka. I was born and raised in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and I'm very happy to have the chance to introduce myself today. Growing up in Addis has shaped me into a person who values education, culture, and building strong connection with people. One of my biggest strengths, I would say, is that I'm hardworking and I don't give up easily. No matter what challenge I face, I always try to stay determined and keep moving forward. This mindset has helped me achieve many things in my life, and it continues to guide me towards my future goals. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and listening to music. Both activities relax me, inspire my creativity, and sometimes even help me improve my English by exposing me to new words and expressions. Looking ahead, my future plan is to establish a bigger school where I can create more opportunities for students to learn. My vision is to help students become fluent in English so that they can communicate with confidence and open doors to new possibilities in their lives. To conclude, I'm very excited about this journey ahead, and I believe that with hard work and persistence, I can make this dream a reality. Thank you for listening.